Welcome, dear kombucha enthusiasts, to another thrilling episode on our channel, How To. Today, we're embarking on a wild adventure to make that oh-so-trendy and healthy beverage, kombucha, right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Buckle up, and let's get started. So, what's the big deal with kombucha? Well, it's a fermented tea concoction that's been stealing the spotlight for its potential health benefits and unique taste. It's made by fermenting sweetened tea with a SCOBY, which stands for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Sounds appetizing, right? Ready to make your own kombucha? You'll need these magical ingredients and supplies: black or green tea, sugar, a SCOBY, our new best friend, a large glass jar, a cloth or coffee filter, and a rubber band. First, brew your tea and dissolve sugar in it like a true alchemist. Let the tea cool down to room temperature before introducing it to your SCOBY. Now, cover the jar with a cloth or coffee filter and secure it with a rubber band. Let your kombucha ferment at room temperature for 7 to 10 days, away from direct sunlight. It's a bit shy, you see. After the fermentation party, give your kombucha a taste. If it tickles your taste buds, it's time to bottle and flavor it. Go wild with fruit, herbs, or spices to create a taste sensation. Pour your marvelous kombucha creation into bottles, leaving some space at the top for carbonation. Seal the bottles and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 days to carbonate. It's like a fizzy surprise. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully brewed your own kombucha at home, and you're now part of the cool kombucha club. Enjoy your delicious and healthy beverage, and don't forget to experiment with different flavors to find your ultimate kombucha masterpiece. If you enjoyed this silly and slightly sarcastic tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more entertaining how-to videos. Until next time. Thanks for watching another how to. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more how-tos.